Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make pagination in Laravel. So here I have uploaded a few more data in the product table and I'm going to make pagination for this table. So first of all, in order to make pagination, let's go back to our code and we'll go to our admin controller.php, and here you can see from the admin controller, this function we are returning all the product. So here instead of returning all the product, we say here product paginate, then we'll give to first bracket, and in this first bracket, how many product we want to show over here. Let's say we want to show 3 product. So if we just say here 3, then save it, then if we now refresh, there you can see it will only show us the first 3 product. So how do we see the other product from the admin panel? So in order to see the other product from the admin panel, what we need to do is we will go to this view underscore product, and here this is the view underscore product.grade.php, and here here you can see we write $product as $product. And whenever you are using pagination, whenever you want to use page number in your Laravel project, then you must have those two variable different. So at least you need to write over here products or $data whatever, but those two needs to be different. And after that, here we'll go at the end of the table. Here you can see the table ended over here. So here we need to do second bracket, and after that here you can see that our variable over here is $product, which is coming from the controller. So here we need to get the first one. Then here in this to second bracket, we're going to set $product. We'll give to first bracket. Then this arrow sign, we need to set here names. Then we'll give to first bracket like this. And after this, we need to go to our app. Then we need to go to our providers, and inside provider, here you can see app service provider. So we'll go inside app service provider, and here we need to write one thing, and that is use illuminate, then backslash pagination backslash paginator like this. Then we'll go down, and here you can see public function boot. So here we need to write paginator double clone use bootstrap boot bootstrap, then to first bracket like this strap bootstrap B will be capital. Okay, after this just save it, and here in the p underscore product.blade.php, once you write this and once you also added those in the app service provider, there is one more thing that you need to do, and that is you need to add bootstrap CDN link in your code. So in your blade file, you need to add bootstrap CDN link. So in order to get the bootstrap CDN link, you need to search over here bootstrap CDN link, and you can just get the bootstrap CDN link from CDNS or also from here as well. So from here you can get the bootstrap CDN link, but we already have bootstrap CDN link added in my project or in our project. So if we now save it, then if we now refresh here, okay, I got the error. Okay, I got it. The error is we need to remove this to first bracket from here like this. Product links. Let me refresh here again, and there you can see it is showing us it over here. The reason is we'll keep this outside this thing. Save it, and let me refresh here again, and there you can see it is showing us over here like this, and if we click on it, it will take us to different page. So right now let's go and make it in the middle. So for it, let's go back to the code, and here let me just mention a div. Then in this div, let me cut it, then paste it here, and here I already write a CSS design in order to make something in the center, which is this one. So I can just copy this class name from here, and I'm going to say class. It will be div underscore dg. It will make our paginate in the center. Refresh, and there you go, and everything is working properly. And let's say you have thousands of data in the table, so it will show all the page number over here. So there might be like 100 of page number. So we can solve that as well. So for it, let me just go to the admin controller here and instead of paginate 3, let's say at paginate on. Let's save it. Then let me refresh here. And there you can see it is showing us a lot of page number. And we might not be on to show all those page number here. So what we can do is we can say here, you can say on each side to first bracket, then this arrow sign. We can write it like this, and inside this we can say here on. So what it will do is that, let me just show you. If we now just refresh here, there you can see after each number there is on number. If I click on number on, it will show us like this. So it will not show all the number, all the page number. Okay, so that will be easier for him to navigate. So yeah, let's go back right now and stop showing on data. Let's say over here 5 data will show 5 data add-ons. So let me just click on view products again, and there you can see it will show us 5 data over here like this. And let's do one more thing, that is let's make the text color white. So here we'll go to the TD style. So here you can see TD style, and here I am going to set the color for the text will be white. This will make our table look better. There you can see it is more readable right now. So this is all for this tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.